Ekip Connect is ABB's next-generation commissioning and programming software, designed to help users fully unlock the potential of low-voltage devices. This innovative software facilitates the management of key system functionalities, including power supply management, collection and analysis of electrical values, testing of protection systems, maintenance, and diagnostic functions. The benefits for customers are substantial across various applications and business use cases. In a typical application scenario, configuring one or more devices located in the system switchboard with Ekip Connect is very straightforward. It is an intuitive software that streamlines commissioning and operations, allowing quick and simple processes. This facilitates uninterrupted workflows, enhancing productivity. In different situations and complex use cases, Ekip Connect operates on devices both locally and remotely, ensuring reliability and safety in all conditions. For complex configuration projects, Ekip Connect ensures connectivity between multiple devices through customizable logic options. It allows the user to design projects according to specific needs, using various views. Ekip Connect is engineered to exchange data with one or more protection devices, including circuit breakers, fuse gears, automatic transfer switches, and many more. Ekip Connect assists the commissioning process of the system with easy and intuitive navigation. It allows rapid access to diagnostics, immediate setting and testing of releases, complex plant configurations and continuous monitoring on connected devices.